Hello guys and welcome to Think So. Do you feel like you don't get enough sleep regularly? Do you often feel dead tired in the morning? Looks like you may be suffering from a sleep disorder. This video will give you 4 tips for a better sleep, while in the same time explain some basic concepts about sleep habits. By the way guys, in this channel we upload new content every week, so consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's move to tip number 1, which is set a specific sleep time and wake time and be consistent. This helps you keep in sync with your body's sleep-wake cycle, the so-called circadian rhythm, which is your internal clock. Circadian rhythms exist in all types of organisms. However, in people, circadian rhythms coordinate mental and physical systems throughout the body, such as the digestive or the endocrine system. And they are connected to a master clock, the circadian pacemaker. This is located in the brain, specifically in the hypothalamus. During the day, the master clock sends us signals that generate alertness and keep us awake. As night falls, the master clock produces melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep. Which brings us to tip number 2. Increase bright light exposure during the day and reduce blue light exposure at night. Our master clock motivates us to go out in the daytime and be exposed to natural light. Exposure to natural light is also essential for your well-being, as it boosts vitamin D, wards off depression, and many more, which I will disclose in a future video, so stay tuned. But while bright light in the morning is beneficial, nighttime blue light exposure has the opposite effect. It tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, so it reduces hormones like melatonin, which help you relax and get deep sleep. So how can you reduce that? You can wear glasses that block blue light. You can download an app that blocks blue light on your PC or smartphone. And finally, turn off any bright lights 2 hours before bedtime. And let's move to tip number 3. Reduce irregular or long daytime naps. While short power naps are beneficial, irregular long naps are bad for your sleep. Sleeping in the daytime can confuse your internal clock, which means you will probably struggle to sleep at night. Studies have shown that participants ended up feeling sleepier during the day after taking daytime naps. So basically, if you're already taking short daytime power naps and can sleep well at night, continue to do that. But if you're taking long daytime naps and you have trouble sleeping at night, that might be the problem right there. And finally, the last tip, which is don't consume caffeine after 3 to 4 p.m. and don't drink alcohol. Almost everyone drinks coffee. A single dose can enhance focus, energy, and performance. However, when consumed late in the day, caffeine stimulates your nervous system. It can stay elevated in your blood for 6 to 8 hours, so if consumed 6 hours before bedtime, it reduces your sleep quality or even prevents you from sleep. Also, alcohol is known to cause or increase the symptoms of sleep apnea, snoring, and disrupted sleep patterns, as it alters nighttime melatonin production. Another study found that alcohol consumption at night decreased the natural nighttime elevations in human growth hormone, which plays a key role in your circadian rhythm. So do a favor to yourself and take care of your alcohol intake. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more content. Until next time!